Yeah, well, this I think honestly applies more to Amazon businesses and businesses that have really strong sales or their entire business strategy is through paid social or paid channels. Is like that's a great game when you're winning it. But when it stops working, and it inevitably will either stop or at least go down in terms of its, effectiveness, you're going to want to rely on your brand that you've built. And brand is something that lasts not only through, let's say, difficult times in other parts of your business, like when your paid channels aren't working, but it lasts through recessions. It lasts through almost anything. When you have a strong brand name, people are always going to support you. And it really takes a ton of stress off your plate. Since being on TikTok, I've felt so much less stress for my glass blowing business because it's not just about, okay, yes, I made 500 in sales today, but what about tomorrow and the next day? And having to just keep performing, keep performing. I really know that I'm building something that is going to last much longer and be stronger than, like, at some point the organic is going to be stronger than paid could ever be, because yes, it's going to come with sales, but it's also going to come with word of mouth. It's also going to come with free extra marketing and promotion. And these are things that I'm looking at for myself long term. Do I want to be in business for 10 years? Do I want to be in business for 20 years? Yes. In fact, I probably want to be in business the rest of my life. That's just my nature. But that's a very, very long period of time to have to really be, in the grind chasing sales. And it's not a fun game for me to play to have to chase sales. I'd much rather build something really strong, really amazing that draws people in, that attracts people to my business, and then converts them so well into loyal followers, into loyal customers, that now they're doing the work for me. I'm sure you guys all know about lots of different companies that have been successful in their branding to the point where they really almost don't have to do more marketing because their fan base, their customer base, does so much marketing for them.